Hey everyone, Kensurfs here. We're in the shave den and it's time for another shave. Kind of excited about this one because if you've watched my channel before, you know I'm very into James Bond. I've got James Bond stuff hanging all over this, including props from James Bond and everything. Well, Hendrix Classics and Company has came out. They did have a soap called James Bond, but now they have a soap called 007. And this, a soap, aftershave, and eau de parfum. This will be, it was supposed to be released Saturday, tomorrow, the end of August, but they've pushed it back to, I believe, Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. But this is an homage to one of my favorite aftershaves, or favorite colognes, Aventus by Creed Aventus. And this is based on the 2010 version of Creed Aventus. If you know anything about Creed, they do limited batches, different runs, etc. And this is my Creed Aventus. And I want to tell you, out of all the colognes that I have, and I've got a lot of colognes. If you watch the channel, you've seen a lot of colognes. This gets noticed the most. If you're wearing this, you get noticed. So Pete Hendrix from Hendrix Classics and Company is doing an homage to not only James Bond, but 007, but to Creed Aventus. And this definitely smells good. So I'm going to be using that and the aftershave in today's video. I'm also going to be using I've used it many times before. I've got a Simpson Chubby 2 from Simpson Brushes in the UK. And this is a synthetic knot. So I'm going to put it into the crystal skull, let it sit, and I'm going to go back in time to 1964, and I'm going to use a Gillette twist-open slim adjustable. So let's take this out. I still have it in the, whoops, there go the blades. Empty anyway, just for show. Here we go. I'm going to be using this. So, you guys watched the 1965, or 64 actually, Goldfinger. You know, James Bond used something similar to this. If it wasn't a fat boy, it was slim in his shave on the airplane, and he had like a homing device in the bottom of it. So I figure, why not? We'll do this old school today. All right, so what have I got? I'm set at setting number 3 on this twist open, and this is a J4, so 4th quarter of 1964. We're going to open this up, and I'm using a Wilkinson Sword Gillette blade. Here we go. Man, it's hot outside. We're getting a heat wave in Southern California. And, well, it's hot for Southern California. It's in the 90s, so, you know, I'm at the beach, so, you know, it gets into the 80s here, so it's not so bad. Here we go. We're going to twist that, lock that in place. And one bit of advice, if you are trying to complete your collection, some people have every year in the 60s, if you can get the containers with them or the original packaging. This one I had to kind of piece together. I found the red container later, but I bought the razor prior. So it is possible to make the two, so you have a matching set. All right, I think we're about ready to do a shave today. So let's wet the face. And some people are saying, I wonder who the next James Bond is going to be. I thought, and I could be wrong, I thought it was that Aaron Taylor Johnson, you know, the guy from Bullet Train and Craven the Hunter, and more recently, 28 years later. But I don't know if that's cast in stone yet. I thought it was. Creed. Very nice. If I was going to do a collaboration with Pete again, this would have been one of the scents I would have chose. Like I said, the most noticed scent that I have in my collection. Very smooth. Oh, and I dropped that thick shaving cream all over me. There we go. So you guys had a good week? Ready for Labor Day this Monday. Gonna be a holiday. Gonna be nice. All right. 1964. I was 2 when this came out. Oh yeah. Setting 3 with this blade, I can feel it knocking it down. You hear it? Hear the feedback? Now somebody said on my last shave, I'm going to avoid this area right here because I got cut and it's healing up. It's only been a couple of days. Someone said, hey, you did a downward pass and then you did a repeat. So this time I'm going to try to stay conscious of what I'm doing. This is with the grain on my face. This is across the grain because at my neck it grows at about a 45-degree angle. Grows this way. So that would be with the grain. This is kind of across the grain. Well, the soap performs very well. Here we go. Soap performs very well. Here we go. Wow, yeah, thick soap. And this synthetic, this soft synthetic brush really helps whip up that lather. I was thinking of going to see Jaws 50th with my brother tonight, the 50th anniversary, and I saw it when I was 13, and I think it still scares my brother. I don't think he goes into the ocean as often as I do. You know, I honestly, I still think Jaws scared him when he was younger. All right, I'm going to cross now. Cross on the face. Now I'm turning it. There we go. Now, I went across the grain this way on my neck. On my neck, when I do them, I go up, okay? That's the way I do it. Everybody else could be a little different, but I do it this way, so I know for a fact I've done it the way that I always do here. All right, let's rinse this off. Man, performs great. 60 years, 61 years. All right. I was listening on the radio and they were saying, was it Bonnie Raitt? Somebody wants to do the new James Bond theme, and you know, I'm kind of curious to see what it goes. But hi, if you know something different, if you know who the new James Bond is, and maybe I'm out of touch, I haven't been watching TMZ lately, but I thought it was Aaron Johnson Taylor or whatever, Aaron Taylor Johnson. So we'll find out. All right. You know how much this much Creed would cost you? At least $200. And if it's the 2010 Creed and you're finding a bottle that's, you know, really full, yeah, good luck. All right. A mellow burn, not too bad. Good tingle, not too bad. I didn't cut myself, and I had nailed myself here too the other day, but not one cut. That means the soap, the blade, and that razor combo that I chose was good for me. It might be a little different for you, but now we're gonna to hit it with some Eau de Parfum. Here we go. There's that burn. And that's a stronger scent. That's a little stronger and it'll last a little longer. All right. Well, there we go. 007 should be coming out early next week, first week of September. It was supposed to come out tomorrow. Been delayed a little bit. If you're into James Bond or if you're into Creed and you don't want to spend the, the righteous bucks on that. Now, the scent is close to this, but not spot on to this. But this is not 2010 Creed. I think it's probably 10 years old. Maybe a little less, right around there. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Thank you for your subscriptions. I really appreciate it. Give thumbs up if you like. I always like reading your comments, and I look forward to seeing you all again very, very soon. Bye for now.